Hi, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is a show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from Indonesia. This is a package from Best Walk. They make, oh gosh, what do they make? I know I've had their mie goreng in the past, and their products are really good, and they've got something new here, so let's crack it open and see what's inside. Wow. Alright, so they sent 3 varieties. The first one is their original mie goreng, and then their hot and spicy variety, and finally a black pepper seafood flavor. Well, thank you very much to the folks over at Best Walk for shooting these over. You know, it's very rare that I luck out and I get varieties from Indonesia, and I'm really thankful when I get them because I absolutely love Indonesian instant noodles. They're so good. Mie goreng is one of the most amazing flavors of foods in the universe. It's sweet, it's spicy, it's salty, all comes together really well. And yeah, looking forward to sampling these. I think a couple I may have already had, but they might be reformulations, so I'll have to talk to the fellow that I know over there. And yeah, cool. Well, thank you again so much. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.